Right. So I think the biggest flaw these days is that diet plans, nutrition plans, weight loss plans, fitness plans, they're all information based. I think that's the issue. So when I say information based, I mean, let me elaborate there here a little bit, right? Information based programs basically depend upon giving you the best solution in terms of the best diet or the best exercise plan. Like, okay, this is the best, you follow this, you lose weight, right? Now the thing is that we know now, with the latest research that's coming out in nutrition and exercise science, we know that the best plan is different for every person. So how can one person, one program claim to be the best diet plan or claim to be the best exercise plan? It doesn't work, you know. Second of all, the personal preference aspect of it is not given due respect when it comes to weight loss plans, right? What if you don't like following that particular kind of plan, right? See, the focus of most nutrition plans or most weight loss plans is, here's what you do to lose weight. You eat this, you train like this and you lose weight, right? The problem is the how aspect isn't really focused upon. The how aspect isn't explained. So most people understand that they need to eat certain foods to lose weight. They need to exercise a certain amount to lose weight, right? Most people understand this, but most people still don't lose weight. I mean, the information isn't the issue. You don't need to hire a trainer or get a course. If you want to learn these things, they're out there free for you online. But the problem is nobody teaches you how exactly you follow your diet, how exactly you follow your exercise plan. The behavioral aspect of how exactly you do the things that you don't pretty much like doing, because yes, you need to lose weight because you aren't following through with eating right, because you're not following through with exercise. So how do you actually train your brain? How do you rewire your brain to do that aspect? There is not a single nutrition plan, not a single weight loss plan on the planet that does that. And I think that is the missing component that without which you can't really have success, long-term sustainable success for weight loss or any other kind of health or fitness goal.